Hi everybody, Eddie the Mouth out in Buffalo, New York. Here with Barbie. Say hi. How you doing? How you doing, my girl? What's up? Not today? Hi. How you doing? You're such a good girl. Oh, yes she is. Yes she is. Oh, let me hold this. Let me switch hands. What's up? You're such a good girl. Where are you going? Oh, it says no pets. Hi. No pets today? My phone? You like the phone? Taking off? Looks like she's taking off. See another dare? Is there another dare coming? I got a mosquito on me. Well, they do get bad out here. Hi. Looks like got a neighbor pulling up. What's up, my girl? Hi. Who's that? Is that the neighbor? Is that the neighbor? Quick scratch there. Well, if you guys like the content, like and subscribe. Say bye. Say bye. Guess she's got an itch.